Today, I'm going to show you how to organize your life as a reseller, how to conquer your death piles. So stick around. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for tuning in for another video. It's your boy Phil, also known as the King of Thrift. For all of you guys who have never been to my channel before, welcome, first of all. And if you are trying to get started reselling, then you are in the right spot, guys. I have been reselling since 2003, full-time on eBay. I have this channel where I teach you guys how to get started reselling, and even people who have been reselling for a while, how to turn it into a full-time income. I listed my first item for sale on eBay back in 2003. And since then, I have become a full-time reseller, earning a very good living. And I started this channel to teach guys and gals just like you how to earn a full-time living on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, OfferUp. It doesn't matter, guys. Etsy, it doesn't matter. There are plenty of platforms now. What to do with the inventory that's closing in on you? Now, I remember when I started in this game 18 years ago. Now, around probably 15 years ago, about 3 years after I started, you could have come into my house and you would have found death piles everywhere, guys. I had death piles in every room. One room in particular was very bad, but I'm at one point in my thrifting career, my living room was full of my inventory. It was really, really bad. So needless to say, I had to figure out some way to get myself organized. And over the years, I developed a process, a system that works very well. And I have since dubbed this system the KOT method. Actually, it's an acronym, and I'm going to cover that with you guys right now. And by the time we're finished with this, you guys are going to know exactly how to get organized and how to stay that way. And more importantly, how to maximize your time, maximizing your profits. If you are new to my channel, you have never resold, or you're just getting started, then make sure you click in the description section of this video and download your free copy of Getting Started Reselling Men's Shoes on eBay or anywhere for that matter. It's a quick start guide. I also included the top 25 brand names of shoes to resell on eBay or anywhere else. It is free. I made it for you guys to get started. Shoes are the easiest thing to sell. Shoes are what I started reselling. Download that book, get your feet wet, start making some money today. This video has been brought to you today by me. No one's sponsoring this video but me. Go ahead in the description section of this video, click on the link and sign up so that you can get your free copy of How to Crush It Reselling with No Experience. I'm giving away 10 free copies in the coming days. You guys are awesome. Thanks for all the support and thanks for all the love.
Step one.
K. What does the K stand for? K stands for kick. Anything that you can kick. Anything on the floor that you can kick needs to be off the floor. It doesn't have feet or legs, it doesn't belong on the floor. So I want you to go around your house, go around to the rooms, go into your garage, get those death piles, put them on tables, put them on shelves, put them on the couch, put them on top of anything that you can just to get them off the floor, guys. Now this is temporary, it's not where it's gonna live, it's just step one. So step one, anything that you can kick, get it off the floor. Okay guys, on to step two. Step two is for O. O is for what? What are we here for? What are we trying to do? O is for organization. Now, how are we gonna get this organized? Well, in this second step, what we're gonna do is take like items, put them together. It's a simple thing. Just what it sounds like. Take things that are alike, put them together. Just like we learned when we were kids, In school, in Saturday morning cartoons, they would show us the videos and it would say,
one of these things is not like the other, one of these things is not the same.
You guys don't know that. And it would show you 4 or 5 different things, and us as children, we would look and it'd give us a little brain exercise and we could figure out which thing did not belong. So I want you guys to play that game. What does not belong? In other words, put things together that belong together. If they're alike, put them together. So if you got things that go in the kitchen, put them together. If you got things that are used for football, put them together. If you got sporting goods, put them together. Whatever you have, organize them according to likeness. So after you've got your like items together, they're probably in piles, or they're probably piled on tables or shelves or on the couch. Since you do have like items put together, hey guys, we are halfway there. Now what you want to do is you need boxes, you need containers, you need shelves. So if you don't have boxes, if you don't have containers, if you don't have shelves, then you need to get some, guys. You really need to invest, because in this game, boxes, shelves, containers are your best friend. Get some boxes, put your small stuff into them. Get some smaller boxes, put your little tiny things in them. Put those little boxes into the bigger boxes. Now, with that being said, you can only put so many boxes that contain items into larger boxes, because it happens to get big very fast. And then the largest box is the house. So it's boxes within boxes, and you want to take those boxes, the next investment, shelves, guys, shelving. You want to put your boxes on shelves. Now, ideally, you want to stack your boxes on top of each other, but boxes are only built so strong, so you can only stack them so high. So that being said, you want to get shelves, put your items in boxes, put your small items in boxes, put your boxes on shelves. Now that's going to get you on your way to getting organized very, very quickly. You'd be surprised how quick it happens. All right, guys, last step to getting organized. T. T is for tabletop. Tabletops is the last piece of this puzzle, guys. You need to have all your tabletops in your office, in your workspace, in your house, because I'm assuming many of you guys are working in your house. So if that is the dining room table, the kitchen table, the work table that's in the office, it needs to be empty, guys. It doesn't need to have anything on it. I know tables are built for collecting things. They're like magnets for junk because they collect everything in a house. And you look over and the table's full of junk. I keep looking over because I have a table right here. Keep them clean, get them cleaned off. This is going to maximize your efforts. This is going to maximize your workflow. This is going to give you room to work and room to ultimately be productive and to make that money, because that's why we're here, right? So there you have it, guys. K-O-T. K is for anything you can kick. Get it off the floor. O, organization. Thought I forgot, didn't you? O is for organization. In other words, like items together, group them together, put them in boxes together. That's going to get you organized quicker than you can imagine. And T for tabletops, guys. Organize your tabletops, get them cleaned off. If anything needs to be on them, make sure that it's super, super organized and it sits on a corner or perhaps maybe at the back of the tables so they're out of the way. The best thing you can do is put anything that you have, put it on shelves, put it on racks. And I did mention racks, guys. When I mentioned boxes and shelves, I should have said racks. Now, racks are what you hang clothes on. So if you're selling clothes, you obviously need racks. You need racks to hang your clothing so that they don't wrinkle, so they don't get messed up. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you continue to support this channel by subscribing right now. And remember, if you haven't already, sign up to get your discounted or free copy of my upcoming book, How to Crush It, Reselling on eBay with no experience. And if you're new to getting started, I have something for you guys, and it is free. How to get started reselling shoes, the easiest thing and the most profitable thing to resell. Get started selling shoes. Download your free copy right now, guys, and let me know how it's going for you. Thanks for tuning in for another video. This has been Phil, and until my next one, you guys be good. Get on out there
and make that money on eBay.